Mr. Poison, where are you? Where are you? Where are you, yeah? I like your videos. Very, very good videos. You are very, very
Shukran.
beautiful woman. Shukran, shukran,
Hi
shukran.
everyone.
Thank you, thank you. My followers say hello.
Hello to all your followers who's watching me right now. Hello viewers of Mr. Turgalik.
No,
I
no,
am Poison.
Mr. Hemorrhoid.
Oh, Mr. Hemorrhoid, how are
Yeah,
you?
thank you, thank you.
Hello,
Mr.
Opin
Hemorrhoid,
Hakim.
very,
Hello,
very happy
Mr.
today. Mr. Hemorrhoid, today very happy. Uh, you wanna talk me
How's your
now?
life?
You wanna
Bunny
with me
boy,
or
if
you'll
you're
follow us?
watching me, I did a dance video for you.
Sen var ya tuttuğunu koparan bir kızsın. Helal olsun sana. Miss Poison, you know, I have feel very, very more follower, but I like you.
Shukran.
Mr. Hemorrhoid say shukran. Mr. Hemorrhoid say shukran. Thank you.
Shukran.
Okay. Thank you. See you again. See you again. Yes.
Bye bye, Mr. Hemorrhoid.
Hele bir repeat after me. Ekmağımı de. Ekmağımı.
Ek Mahmed.
Helal olsun sana. Vallahi sen 10 numara bir
Ek
insansın.
Mahmed.
Thank you. Miss Poison. Çüss.
I did a dance, dedication dance for this guy, Bunny, because Bunny commented, like what I said, if you're going to comment on my videos, I'll make a dedication or I'll flex your comment. As long as I like your comment, I will flex your comment. Oh, Mr. Dirpandi.
It's special today.
Hey, how are you?
Hello, Mr. Rupandi.
How are you?
I'm fine po. Mr. Hakim. Hello, Mr. Hakim. Mr. Hakim. And PS Arya Dub, you're here. Thank you, guys.
Ready for
Mr.
क्या है?
Pandi, I just want to say I am going to talk to my viewers. Is it okay to you?
Are you busy?
Yes, I am po.
Why too much busy every day?
I'm going to talk to my viewers. So I'm going to goodbye po and thank you, Mr. Divir Pandi. Bye-bye.
साले को ला भाई मौत कर कहीं पाकिस्तान जगह मौत कर
Because I flexed the comment of Mr. Buddy 619 because he said, Bunny said I look like an Indian. And I told him, I don't look like an Indian. How do I look like? Guys, Mr. Hakim, I am fine po. Thank you for asking me. You really look like an Indian girl now, 100%. Really? What part of me? So I just did a dance video, guys, a dedication video, and thank you for watching me right now and joining me. Oh, Shaheen 9251, thank you for following me po. Estenyo, no? So who's here? So how are you guys? I am sorry again because I said I'll go live at 11 o'clock in PM. Just so happened, like what I said, I joined the live stream of my best friend, and that is MS. So, and after joining her at 11:40, he got freed from his live stream, and I did a dance video. If you don't mind, please click the new video that I made. And this is the outfit of mine. I look. How do I look like with this kind of dressing? So cute, really. Shukran. Look this beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Hakim. Mr. Hakim, it's been a long time since you joined my live stream. How are you? Thank you for joining me here right now. Safilakan. Hi, Safilakan. Mr. Really appreciate. Like what I've said, my antidotes are my lovers, and when antidotes love me, I will love my antidotes more. So antidotes, thank you for watching me right now. Anyway, hey, how are you, Kashmir Star? I am fine, Kashmiri Star. Thank you for asking me. I am. I feel shy today because of this one. I'm sorry if you're an Indian and I hope you don't mind I put some. Is it okay? I watched it already. It's super real. I look stupid with the dance. I really don't know how to dance because Mr. Hakim, you keep on ignoring my live stream po. Why is it? So, true lovers, hello everyone. Good morning. What time it is? It's too good. You have watched it already, Bunny Boy? Sorry, so nice. This one really removed. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. No. Hmm? What? No. So, it's already what? Today is December 17 and Christmas in my religion, Christmas is coming to town already and it's getting colder. Just like my love life, it's cold. Can you say love you, Ahmad Al-Sara? Huh? Okay, Steve Jai Hindi. So I'm going to say, I love you, Ahmad Al-Sara. Why you much beautiful today? Really? Just today I'm beautiful, guys. You're so mean. Ahmad Buno. So, I love you, Ahmad Abstara. I'm sorry I can't say your name correctly. Abstara. Purigo. So, I'm going to tackle about this one is really important for me, guys, because it tackles about my country. So I will give a little brief. So this is my outfit and it's correct. Oh, so I love uh, Azir, thanks, Ahmad Albar. So this is my outfit today. If you have seen the video, hi Habib, you look beautiful, but today it's March. Maybe because of this. So I'm going to tackle about my country. You're always beautiful, but today is March. Really? So too much. So like what I said, I'm going to tackle about my country's history because you say that my antidote says they love Philippines. Okay, if you want love Philippines and you love me, I'm going to introduce to you my Philippines and the meaning of its flag because I've seen it in TikTok that most of the TikTok I've seen is they're using the flag of Philippines and I want to tackle about this one because this one is very important, guys. So if you have known someone using the flag of my country, please tell that person don't do it again because there is a law about this using of flag, misuse of our flag. So we're going to tackle about the history. So is it okay, guys, if I'm going to hi Mr. Safi, how are you po? It's been a long day. So I see you. Exactly, you're more pretty today. Looks gorgeous. Talaga lang. Okay, I will share my live with to my family in TikTok. I did share. I did some sharing so some people can see me. Wait. Share tayo. Share. I will share my video. Mm-hmm. Bunny Boy is here already and Night Page can't watch me because what happened to Night Page? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wait for a while, people. I will just share my live stream. So people will know that I'm on live. I can't accept hosting right now. Which I don't know if these people really are active or what. That's why I shared my live stream. And I hope these people will respond. If not, it's okay. They might be busy because what time is it already? 12:31. I am very late. Very late. And I'm sorry for that. So I've got 10. I need 5 more people to send this live stream of mine. Wow, 13 point.
Sen alnından mermi mi sıkmışlar? Ne olmuş?
I dance.
He, ne oldu lan dans ederken mi kafasına sıkmışlar?
This was
Ya,
before.
Ulan
Because I
bunun dansla
danced,
ne alakası var? Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Philippines neresi bakın. 1 minute.
Hi everyone.
Philippines. Filipinler adıyla Filipin Cumhuriyet Pasifik Okyanusu batısında coğrafyada konumlanan bir Güneydoğu Asya devletidir. Tamam, teşekkürler. Bu kadar yeter Google'a.
Whoa. Where are you from?
I am from Italy. You know Italy? Pizza, spaghetti, cose pirgatti.
Italy. Mi amore.
You know? Pizza, spaghetti, cose pirgatti, Maserati, Ferrari.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Yes.
Italia.
You know cose
Dolce
pirgatti?
amore.
You don't cose pirgatti.
Huh?
قصد القرد. What is your name?
Name? I'm
Yes.
Poison.
Şey?
Hi everyone. My name is Poison Ivy.
Poison Ivy. Tamam. Okay. My name
Yes.
Azbır.
Aspre. Heavily.
Azbır. Kime?
Asprk.
قصد القرد. Azbır. Kime?
Cause perkatinim. Okay.
Oh yes.
Perk-
You know kızı pirgattenim. When repeat.
Someone said it here. Cause
Repeat.
perkati.
Ya ma ben ne yapayım?
Is it your name?
My name.
Cause perkatinim. Cause perkatinim.
Ulan ben de git kızı pirgattenim. Bana ne küfür diyorsun lan? Okay.
So how old are you?
50-50 you?
Your old is 50-50?
Hadi oğlum
I'm
bilmiyorum
50.
İngilizce. Ben ne bileyim İngilizce yaş söylemeyi. Karışım. 50-50 you.
26.
1 minute. Bu 10. Sonra bir 10 daha. 10 or 10 yani 20 o 5.
You're 25 years old?
Yes, very good.
25?
You? Ya benden büyüksün ya kusura bakma ya. Ya benden büyüksün ben
Le.
kimse. Evet.
Kızı perkitanim.
What? Repeat?
Kızı perkitanim.
Okay.
You're
You know Kuzey Kare simulator or yani Kuzey Kare. Repeat. Kuzey Kare.
kızı kızı
No Kuzey Pirgata. No. Kuzey Kare. Bu
kızı
da
perkitanim.
sülüktür ha. Şema 1, Şema 2, Şema 3. Kapı feca. Vara. Sol tarafa gel. Gidiyoruz birazdan.
Can
See you later.
you teach me guys kızı perkitanim?
Kaça voladım. Basa. See you later.
Basta.
Kuzey Kare.
Jose Kare. Oh, Jose
Yes.
Kare.
Okay. Hadi Şama 1, Şama 2, Şama 3.
There.
Vara.
Jose Kare.
Hadi bu tarafa gidiyoruz.
Hi everyone who's watching me right now. Good
Khatrita
morning.
بالقتية. You know, repeat. بمرادي.
Bebrani.
بمرادي.
Bebradi.
قصد القرد. You know,
We are Turkey Beach.
قصد القرد.
You're Turkish?
Yes, Turkish or Kurdish boy.
And why did you say you're Italian? Like
بس uğraşamam haydi sülattır. Benimki gel bu tarafa haydi.
Kızikiri.
Hadi sülattır haydi.
Bye bye everyone, because I'm going to talk to my followers also, and your Kuzi, what's his name? Kuzi Pratik left already the live stream. So I'm going to entertain already my followers and my antidotes. I call them antidotes, and thank you for joining me and watching me right now. Swearing. Oh, he is very kuzikiri. So what is kuzikiri? Kuzite. Swearing. Delete name. So now they're gone already. So I'm going to kuzikiri, kuzikiri. Thank you for following Courage. Courage. So this guy is Turkish. Then why did he say Spanish? Italian. If he is Turkish. Kuzikiri, kuzikiri. Mama ne, kuzikiri. Este ne, percatinem, swearing. So what is swearing you mean by that? It is a bad word? Hypergen. They are teaching me how to say some words. It just when I'm having a hard time really, and my ears are red already. We are Turkey Beach. Oh, don't say the word. You're not a beach. So kuzikiri, kuzikiri, kuzikiri. What does it mean anyway? Kuzikiri. Bemeradi. Bemeradi. Tiklop bemeradi. Bemeradi. Hubele. Hebele. Hubele beraditmi. It's hard to speak Turkish language if you don't really have an idea about this one topic test pairs. So guys, mert akan percatinim, I love you. Oh, percatinim means I love you. At least someone told me what is percatinim means. Percatinim means I love you. Kuzi percatinim, I love you. That's why he's trying to say. Mert akan 5. Thank you if you are still here. Thank you for telling me that Kuzi percatinim is I love you in what? Turkish language. Kuzi percatinim. Oh, there. I've learned one thing again. Kuzi kiri is what? Danish Kamer that you follow. This man Kurdish is big shimme. They're teaching me already in this. Just that late reply. Swearing. Kuzi kiri by Courage. So Kuzi percatinim. Okay, Kuzi this man Kurdish. Kurdish? Who? Hemed. Swearing. Zakaria. He is not Italian. He said he's Italian. That's why Italian. So I told him Dolce Amore, something like that. So he's not Italian, but he is a Kurdish. So what is Kurdish? No, Italian. Güzel Puzzle. Okay, guys, Kurdish. Chicken curry. MS, thank you for messaging me. I can read your message, so you can message me even if you don't have VPN. Where are you from? Rene Manicas Laris, if you are watching me right now, I'm from Philippines po. It's just that I have this one because I am dancing. What's this? An Indian dance. As a dedication to one of my followers po, one of my aunties, DVT. So what's DVT? Where are you from? I'm Reminis Yes, I'm from Philippines po. I'm from Philippines, guys. Kurdish Mohammed. Kurdi. This man Kurdish. Yes, I've read this one already. So I keep on scrolling. Kurdish. Oh my God, where's Kurdish? Where Ken's Kurdish? Your friends were going. May I had this one, so I will follow him. I will follow him because he keep on asking where I'm from. Mohammed Kurdsraft. Okay, lots of you guys. These people are what? They disappear already, Sa? So I will keep on scrolling. He said very bad things to you. Really? It's okay. I don't understand him. Are you from where? Are you from where? Are you from where? I'm from Philippines. He said very bad things to you. It's okay, Pubi. This man's swearing. This means swearing. Okay. So it's mad. He said very bad things to you. Okay, I've read it. Where are you from? No, he's asking. I did add this guy so I cannot. This man Kurdish, okay? Where are you from? Okay. I will keep on scrolling. This man Kurdish. Oh my God. Okay, I will keep on scrolling until the message will be gone. Okay. So done already. Kawati Kurdish. You in Qatar? Mr. Ali Diwali, if you are watching right now, I am here in Kuwait. You put a dot on your forehead. Yes, this dot represents Indian. So I did put some, I did try, because I dedicate, like what I've said, once you are an antidote, means my follower, my viewers here, once you are my antidotes and I am poison, you are my antidotes, it means whatever you're going to comment on my video, I will dedicate a song or dance for you. So that's why this one, because one of my antidotes tell me that I look like an Indian. So what are you guys thinking? Do I look like an Indian or not? I don't think I look like an Indian, but I did try. So who's this? Mr. Rain Minis Kislarias, if you recognize your name, I did have a special mention already. I am from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Okay. So I hope you get it. I did answer you already. So hi, Mr. Ashraf 85 5123. If you're watching me right now, hello to you. River, you India from? No, I'm not from India, but I am from Philippines people. Okay. Alishrak. Alishrak. Sancha huna cha. How are you, my friend? Where are you from? Mr. Renminis Kislarias. I'm from Philippines. Oh, Ed Kurdim Kurj. Oh, so what this is Kurdim Kurj? Kasi perkatinim, they are swearing. Oh, I thought it's I love you. It's a bad word? Kasi perkatinim is a bad word. So, okay. I won't say it again because it's a bad word. Kasi perkatinim. Where are you now? I'm here in Kuwait, people. Saifa. Hello po, Mr. Saifa. Are you married? No, Mr. Saifo, I'm not married po. I'm single. Misterioso. Hola, mi amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Love at Lars. Thank you for the love and hearts. So, Mohammed Irfan, hello, you're back again. You're back on track to watch me. Hello, Muhammad. Yes, I'm good. And you? I am fine right now. Go star 143. Hi, baby. Hello, hello. It's bad words. Oh, so sad that is teaching me. That guy is teaching me bad words. So, Kano Vayo is Kalas dinner. Kano Vayo. I recognize the name. Kano Vayo means have you eaten your dinner or lunch? Am I right, Alish Rocks? So, you know Kurdish in Iraq. You know mostly Kurdish in Iraq. Oh, so that case is Iraq. From Iraq? How are you? Tin Kumar. Oh, village. Love you. Saifu Islam, thank you for loving me po. Will you friendship me? No problem. Like what I've said, once you are a viewer of mine and you are a follower of mine, you are an antidote and Poison loves her antidotes. I love you all po. You so cute, baby. Really, Kosar 140. Thank you for saying I'm cute. Sing an Indian song on behalf of the dot you're putting on your forehead. Are you married? Motala Siri. I am not married, so Marhaba Navidesh Kishmatun Jauno Moradu Navalede Matine. That's the only line that I know about it. That I know about Indian. But I do love Indian songs and the movies also. Manarado Marine Narana Kashitu Moradu. Hebele hobele. Metamyal maya garchu. I love you. Matemyal maya garchu. Wait, Speedwise, this is my 8th comment. You're not reading. Mr. Muhammad Irfan, I am reading for your comments. Promise, you said hi and I said hello, Mr. Muhammad Irfan. And I said hello. I said Muhammad. Hi, hello, hello. AC. Maginoong Bolero is joining, right? Thank you. So cutie, Zanzawari. Thank you for saying I'm cute. But I'm so beautiful in your lip, your baby. I like you, baby. Yeah, absolutely. I want to do friendship with you. No problem. Let's be friends, guy. And thank you for joining me right now. To hi Philippine, hi Fia Sakmat, Hakmat. Mad. Hi, user Canadier. Hello to you. Thank you for following. So nice. Yes, that is the Indian song that I love. Not because uh, I love that song because of the meaning of it. So cute, the meaning. In Kurdish, if you want to say hi, you can say chine. Is it how to say this? Chine or ni? Chine, chine. Okay. In Kurdish in Iraq, okay? So Kurdish is chine, means hi. Host, thank you for following me. Chune. Hindi actor lock. Hindi actor lock. What do you mean by that, user Canadier? Sarkan, you're back again. Like what I've said, Sarkan. Okay, friend, bye. Okay, Mr. Ali Shurak, thank you. Now you in UAE? No, I'm not. I'm here in Kuwait. You really love it. Thank you po. Okay, no, Chune. Chune. Monica Christian. Okay, Chune. Chune. So, very beautiful. Mr. User Canadier, dreamy boy. Hello. So, are you ready already? Because I'm going to tackle about something, and I'm in UAE. Here come UAE. We can chill here. Your face like what? What do I look like right now? You know Arabic. شوية كلام Arabic. كل شوية أعرف بس just talk to me. You can talk to me in Arabic, but in a way that I can learn it. Kuya boy, thank you for the heart and the roses too. Thank you, Kuya Pugi boy. Welcome to my live stream. Shway. Yeah, shway. Maraba. Zen. Shukra. Inta. Shlonek. Shway. Please only one. What do you mean one? Go. Ana Gol. Shweya. Kalam Arabic. Kulyum. Are you single? La. Single? Ana single. Oh my god, what she done? Tulasi girl, hello, how are you, pretty girl? I am fine right now. I am happy. You, my angel. I am happy right now because my intawan, Ana Shugul Kuwait. Just stop by, drop you some gift. Thank you, Kuya Pugi boy. Just hoping we can. You're looking so cute. Shukra. Bupadika. Okay. So, are we done already? Bupalkadka22, thank you for following the host. Well, thank you, Kuya Boy. Just so MS is done. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you, and please be safe always. Take care always. What's your job? Ana Shugul Kadama and Ana Kuwait. Ana ni Kuwait. I'm trying my best to talk in Arabic. Anani Shugul. Ana Shugul Kuwait. Anani Kuwait. Whatever. My God. I am trying, okay? So, if you want, you can teach me Arabic. I am waiting for everyone or someone who can teach me Arabic. Kadama. Ana Kadama. Ana Shugul Kadama. Ana ni Kuwait. Yes, this is Kuwait. Kuwait makan. What do you mean? Same you look Chokpao maganda. Welcome to my live stream, Mr. Mr. Indersid. Guys, this is one of my TikTok family, Mr. Indersido 1990. Chokpao. I'm not Siopaw. Mahilig to sa Siopaw. Same your look. Siopaw. Talaga? Thank you, Mr. Inder. And Mr. Inder here is a TikTok family of mine. If you can, if you want, please click char. All of you are men anyway, so I can teach you Arabic. I can teach you Arabic and Kurdish. Shukran. Shukran if you can teach me. Please teach me, Mr. Sandawir. Please teach me Arabic because I want to learn Arabic really. Because they are talking Arabic and I keep on Shino. Shino good. And the only thing that I've learned in Arabic is Majinun. Shino Majinun. Shino. What a beauty. User in Canada. Huh? Hot dog. Had your dinner? I haven't had my dinner yet. But it's here. I will eat later. Kuzi Perkatinan. Isan 6323. Someone said that Kuzi Perkatinim is a bad word. Mr. Zandiware told me that it's a bad word. There you are great that you speak Arabic very well even if here for a long time I couldn't pick up proper words. Ana Muzud Kuwait. Muzud? Ana Muzud. Muzud is coming here? You're here. You're here in Kuwait. Akit? Okay, so the answer for this is Akit? Really? Okay, Kuzi Perkatino. Oops, Isan, that's a bad word. So, Mr. Zandawir, you said that you're going to teach me Arabic, so please teach me Mafi Malum Arabic. Ana Malum. Ana Kalam Arabic. Jaun, it means mad. Majnun. Mad? Yeah, Majnun means crazy, right? Majnun. Because someone said, one of my friends here in our group, she said that Inta Wahid Majnun. Is it Majnun? So I told them, no, and what is Majnun? What is Majnun? And they kept saying, ha, Inta Wahid Majnun. I had to, come on, tell me what's the meaning of Majnun. And it means you're crazy. So I told him, la, Inta win sugul. Ana Inta sugul Sabah or Sabah? Morning, Sabah. Jaring, it's bad word, yes. See? Yeah, what is the secret to beauty? Oh my gosh, there's no secret. It's bad word, yes, and the weird is the bad words, and that's the only word that it taught me to learn. And Majnun. So Majnun. So when I'm mad, I say Majnun. Charing. And just yes, you look like don't mind, just joke. Yes, you look like that. Don't mind, just joke. You look like what, po? You look like crazy. I look like crazy in there. Oh my god, I didn't know I look like crazy. Do I look like crazy people? Or Mr. Ender 1990 is trying to say that I look like a shupao. You know what shupao is? It's a Chinese food. It's as big as this, and it's a white dough, and there is this stuff something inside, like a meat or chicken or whatever, and it is delicious, and it is my favorite, especially if it's a chicken chicken siopaw. Ay makan sugulinta. Oh my god, Mr. Kausar 143, I don't understand. Little, I would just like say shwaya kalam Arabic and shwaya arif Arabic. Madre, madre. Okay, so am I talking? Kausar 143, thank you for following me. Secret of beauty if one filter. If one filter. No, I'm not using any filter. Maybe because of the makeup. Sobrang nagustuhan kita. Shukran. Thank you for liking me. If you like me, thank you for liking me, and thank you for watching me right now. Because even though it's 12:56, because it's 12:59 and the feelings are all gone. I'm sorry, cutie, you're so cute, but I don't like co-host right now. I don't accept co-hosting because, like what I've said, every day, I don't want to accept co-host because sipaw asado bola. How did you not, Mr. Ender? Mr. Ender, you know that sipaw? Takaw nito. Yes. The thing that I like is Because there is a siopaw that has this red egg. I don't like to eat red egg. I don't like red egg, so I don't know if siopaw asado it is or siopaw bola-bola. Wow, Mr. Intercedo likes the siopaw. Where did you eat this siopaw, Mr. Intercedo? So I can order also siopaw. I missed eating siopaw, people. It just so happened I don't know where I can order or I can buy this one since I'm just here inside our house. Question and answer for today. Love to attend daily classes. Or correct answer. Also, you want to have question and answer portion, Mr. Bunny Boy? Okay, no problem. I will ask you something then. So, but okay, I will ask you something, huh? So, Mr. Bunny Boy 619, what is the size or the shape of Earth? Tell me. Come on to the radio. It's Friday night and I won't be alone. It hits the sun. So that's the question for you, Bunny Boy 619. What is the shape of our Mother Earth? It should be correct, okay? So, what about your opinion about UAE? I haven't been in UAE, but I think UAE is a good place to work with, especially that UAE is a free country. I wanted to be in UAE because I've got I saw lots of beautiful sceneries about, especially Dubai. I don't know if it's Dubai, wherein there's a desert where you can have this motorbike, and then there's this angel, Lucifer angel, something like. I wanted to have a photo shoot, photo shoot in Lucifer's wings. Okay, engine physiotherapist. How are you? I am napakaganda mo. Thank you for telling me I'm pretty. Mr. XCX, I recognize your profile, Mr. XCX. I haven't read your name here, but I recognize your profile. Mari kang tumay o pamakita ka ng buo. Where is your eyes lenses today? I don't have eye lenses. I'm sorry. Can you prepare onion hopia? That's my favorite. Okay, this is my thing. In here. See, if you can see. Because I like what I said. I dance and chanting. Go on to the radio. So wait, can you prepare onion hopia? Onion hopia. When it comes to food, I'm clueless. I'm an eater. I know how to cook, but when it comes to the taste, Filipino restaurant here, come here, I buy for you. Really? Hello. Yes. I will go to the Dubai already, but I will study. Filipino restaurant here, come here, I buy for you. No problem. I will come there. So it means there's a Filipino restaurant in Dubai. So if that's the case, Congress Saja 1347, you are the top host of the. Oh, we already have a top host for the day, and that is Mu Abdullah is the top 2, and I am here talking to you guys. So, Mr. Intercido, that's the top 3. So top 3, top 1. So Mr. Intercido will said that he's going to buy me siopaw, and like when I said, siopaw is this round dough, and I like it. That is my favorite also. Mr. Bisu4, I'm sorry I can't accept your posting. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines, people. Ang lakas naman na Ate Wayne. Okay. Obviously, round in shape. No. Maybe Earth looks like a round shape, but the exact shape of our Mother Earth is oblate spheroid. If you have seen this orange thingy, it is a round shape, but there is a little bit flat on top of it. The upper and the lower, or let's say the top and the bottom and the top of the orange is flat, and then a circle. So that's why they call it oblate spheroid, and that is the shape of our Mother Earth. So did you get me, Bunny Boy 619? The exact size of Mother Earth is oblate spheroid, and one example of it is the orange. Then why stay in Kuwait? You can come to UAE. Oh my God, if only I can fly, I will fly high just to be in Dubai. Just so happen, like what I've said, I can't breach my contract, people. Because, like what I've said, I came here as a Kadama, then I will finish my contract as a Kadama. So, thank you, Vishnu, for the flower. Hi, Muhammad22291. How are you? Thank you for joining. And you're very beautiful. Watching secretly. No, you're not watching secretly. Because wanna know why? I've seen your profile here, and I see every time I see your profile, you're the only one who's unique here, because you have this black and white profile. So, okay, I say, oh, Mr. XCX23 is here. So thank you, Mr. XCX, because you're watching me right now. And Saif Islam is here also. So beauty, thank you, but now I'm red green. This one is just a blush one, but I think this is true already. You keep on saying I'm beautiful, but I don't speak English. Oh, Shino Kalam Bes Arabic? Best Kalam Arabic Engine Physiotherapist? Bye bye. Mr. Indecindo 1990, bye bye. Thank you for watching me right now. And thank you for joining. But Mr. Indecindo, how did you know that I go live? I didn't send. Did I send you a live stream? Okay. So, Vance Sancars, thank you for joining. Sa katunayan, ikaw ay isang anghel. Angel? No, I don't look like an angel, but maybe a fallen angel, yes. A fallen angel with a face first on the ground. Doink. I'm in love with you. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It's just getting better. So, sa aking bansa, maraming mga Pilipino. Oh, that's why, Poison, I'm in love with you. Talaga lang ah. In love agad? Oh, Mr. Engine Physiotherapist, you said you don't know. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. As long as you're watching me, as long as you can understand English, it's okay. We can communicate. You want sign language? Oh, I will teach you guys a sign language of ABCD. So this is the only thing that I know anyway. So I think you know, guys. So this is A, B. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So if I'm going to say love, I'm going to spell love in a sign language. L, O, V, E. So it means love. I, you. I'm trying. Because my classmates before, I was a transferee when I was 12 years old. I was a transferee and they are backbiting me. They're talking something behind my back. Not behind, but in front maybe, because I don't understand them. So if they're trying to say something about me, they're doing this. So I'm just watching them. What are you doing? So and I asked one of my classmates, what are they doing? Something like that. So they said they are talking using the sign language ABCD. So I wanted to learn. You're talking more. But I'm am I talkative? Watch a vision order. Oh, Mr. Interesting. Oval shape. No, it's not oval shape. It's oblate spheroid. Okay, I speak Kurdish, Arabic, and Turkish. Okay, Indian physiotherapist. But you're talking to me in English. Well, 50-50. Your English is 50-50. Jimboy Hero, you're here. Vishnu. Oh, Vishnu, thank you for the flowers. Like a Superman. I thought you're Nepali. Oh, no, I'm not Nepali. You can change your name, ID Poison. Change your name, ID Poison. You came Abu Dhabi. I will go to Abu Dhabi. I will go to Abu Dhabi. I will go to Dubai. I will go to Sharjah. I will go to Aling. Poison. No, I will not change my name. Mr. Vishnu Onikrishnan. I'm sorry, but I will not change my ID name Poison Ivy because Poison's name represent her life. So I hope you don't, if you guys don't mind. That's on, everybody know me already with my name Poison. Poison, her life is poisonous, Jari. So I'm in love with you. So since you said that you're in love with me, Indian physiotherapist, I will sing you a song. You want me to sing a song? So to break your ears, I will sing you a song, baby. Vavaijan. What is Vavaijan? Hi, Ifris. How's life in Canada? I know Ifris. You're so cute. You're half Canadian. No, you're half Filipino, half Pakistani, but you are in what? In Canada, am I right? Oh, thank you for following me. Good morning, Poison. Good morning, Ifris. How can I forget Ifris anyway? Please, okay, I will sing a song. If I'll sing you a love song, will you always remember? Kakanta ba ng love song sa susunod? Okay. Yes, I will sing a song. If you want me to sing a song, I will sing you a song. But I like you so much, baby. Oh, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you. So, okay, I will try to sing a song. And every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is blowing. Scary face of Philippine. No, you're not scary face. You're a handsome face. It blows me all the way. Language is created to talk, but it's not regard to be in touch. It's not regard to be in touch. You're right. You're right. I think Mr. Vishnu, if you are always in my live stream, I will go pick a topic because it seems like you are very active. Bala. What do you mean by that, Midges? Cause it feels like, yes, I'm talkative, I'm sorry guys. Feels like the first time I've been sitting a whole night. Hey, I use translation. Mr. Indian physiotherapist, thank you for using as translation just so you can have a good communication with me. And I am grateful that you did that anyway. Thank you. Char. Oh, I brushed my teeth. I didn't brush my teeth. So, hi princess, how are you? Okay, someone already said that, princess. Do I look like a princess? No, I look like a raggy doll. I look like Chucky. You know Chucky? I don't get you, but I like to listen. Shukran. It just means one thing, that even if you don't understand a person, but you wanted to listen and you wanted to hear her voice, that means you love that person. And I am grateful that Mr. Faryat, his name, Faryat Therapist, is here to listen for me. Life is once and is changed by time. You are not belongs like poison. You are precious. So I will change my name now. I will change it to Precious Ivy. But thank you, Mr. Vishnu, for these kind words from you. I didn't expect it that someone will notice my name. But maybe I will change it. But not now, because everyone know me by this name, because like what I've said, my life is as poisonous as it can be, that it will kill you if you are in my position. It just so happened that my name is poison, my life is poisonous. It kills a person if you're in my position. But with the word ivy, means the ivy is the sweetness of mine. Even if I'm struggling to live every day with such pain, I am still here in front of you smiling. So that's why it is poison ivy. My life is like a balance, sweet and bitterness. That is life is sweet, bitter, sweet life. Bitter, sweet life. My life is bitter, sweet, but more on bitterness. No, sing a song. Thanks, God. Thanks God I found you. I was lost without you in my heart. But I don't know the lyrics. Can you type the lyrics, Ifris, in my head? I will just type the lyrics and I will sing the song. Okay, sing short Ifris. So easily. Thank you, I found you. Sing this song. I will, Ifris, I will, but I want you to type the lyrics. Kasi nahulog ka lang sa halik. Sa iyong halik, ako'y nahuhumalik. At sa tuwing ika'y gumagalaw, ang puso ko'y tumitigil. Ang pangalan mo, sinisigaw.
Hello, shukran. Salam.
Salam
You're from?
alaikum.
Salam alaikum. Shlonek?
Where are you from? Doi,
Fi-
where are you
Philippines?
from? Philippines. You Muslim? Tamasomani? No Muslim.
I just dance.
I
An
just
Indian dance.
I'm not tapmış çelek oldu. Çelek oldu duşuna o hareketi yaptı. You inek? You çelek?
Wait,
Abla you çelek. Yoksa what is your name?
Poison.
Faysal, I am Miracan Kahraman. Arapça konuşuyor. He Arabic?
You're from?
I am from
Arabic?
Turkish. I'm Kurdish Miracan.
Ooh.
Kurman
Kuzi
story,
Prikatinim?
Kurman story. What?
Kuzi Prikatinim?
Kuzim, avacım kuzim, ama kuzim muzim diyeceğim. Dayı kuzim muzim yok bizde. Kuzim şeşer cisne kere dikene. Hardek. Kaçak tuvalet ama hadise dikiri. What?
No, I'm just trying to ask.
Abla da başta kuzim muzim atki açacağız famla kum abla. Mene de şemi millet Jokogo. Abla aile evdeki abla şerme dayı. Kuzim çiyapıtı şey. Sana merrazi ki memleketta. Ya bir khiza khaqi elde basa kuzi muzim atki. Kuzi mata da bovata. You're Muslim? Okay. She Muslim? Sani Musliman yapalım. She Muslim?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Eşeden köşeden ya Allah ya Khudi. Okay.
Guys, bye-bye.
İyi,
Shukran.
abla. Ha. Ay. حاجة تحت بدأ وقت طبعا بس ما طيب قناة تسميش
Bye-bye.
أبلا باباي نا
Shukran
باباي نا
lang.
ناتشا
Mr. Faisal therapist. Sabi ka, Lilo, hello Lilo. Krish, I love your smile. It's your smile, your lips that made that I miss. Your sweet little eyes that stares at me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you. Do you want to be the bride of the Turks? Yes or no? I want to be a bride of the Turks. A Turkish man? So someone's asking me if I want to be a bride. I don't know. Thank you so much. Ifris. No, Ifris. I haven't sing the song yet. I just sing the title but not whole song. If you want Mahal Kita Tu. Hi Lilo, hi. Do you want to be the bride of the Turks? It depends. You have a nice face, lovely. Thank you for telling me that. Crazy. What did I say? I did try to say the Kuzi Pratiktanim. And he got it anyway. Bad word. So bad word. Please guys, don't say bad words. If Poison will say a bad words, just kiss her. Kiss. Okay. Don't talk with him. He's using bad words. Okay, na circa 1985. What's this Shemel? I don't know Shemel. No. I don't know Shemel Zanzibar. Alin, this thing is Majnun na nabagay kaya ay nabuhay. Yes, Majnun. Someone told me the Majnun. Inta Wahid Majnun eh. Ha? Sino Majnun? Sino Gul? Sino Gul? Ma'arif, and then they said that Majnun is a bad word and it says crazy, and I told them no, Ana la Majnun. Chicken good daw, sabi niya chicken curry. Okay. Late. Okay. Vishnu Tapa, I can't answer you right now, Mr. Vishnu Tapa, because I'm talking to these people. Okay. Oh my good. Yes? What's wrong? I love Yemen. What's wrong? I love Yemen. I love Yemen. Bunny boy. Why are you laughing, Bunny boy? I'm just trying to learn Arabic. It just so happened I have Shweya idea, Shweya Kalam, because they are not teaching me really about Arabic. So Mr. XCX, where's Mr. XCX? Going to teach me Arabic. It's bad word. Okay, I will not say it already. So guys, like what I've said, I'm going to tell you about something about my Sagittarius 3584, my country. Yep, good. So here's the engine. Patay tayo dyan. I can't read you, moon. Moon? Because of this, it's erased already. See, tanggal na. It's gone. So no longer bindi. No bindi already. So here lives very amazing. So keeps on taking so when our flag, everyone's flag represents a country. So it means that flag represents a country, and that flag means the history of a country also. So I'm going to tackle about the history of my country, Philippines, because you said you love me, and Poison is a Filipina. So I'm going to introduce to you Philippines. Dun, come on, little radio. Kausar 143, hello. Will you make me friend? Sure, why not? No problem. Bad Shamia, thank you for following me. Okay, so let's start with the history of the Philippines. Okay, way back 1521, Philippines Dal 09, what's this? 09557453. So way back 1521, you in Qatar, Alig Diwali, I'm not in Qatar. Hello, Bachimia. Hello. Back in 1521, Philippines was discovered by a Portuguese guy named Ferdinand Magellan. And Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese guy, but he proposed this one to he proposed this kind of voyage to the King of Spain. So it means it is Spain, in the name of Spain. But I like you so much. Thank you for liking me. So Philippines was discovered with cheeks and lips, groin and eyes and your movements guns. I love you, Yemen. Have you seen my first video? The video that I recorded right now. Thank you if you guys watch that video. Thank you, and I hope you like it. I mean, you click it and like it and leave a comment. So way back. Like I said, works in Saudi. No, Anna Sugar Kuwait. I mean, March 21, 1521, Philippines was discovered by Magellan, who is a Portuguese but was sent by Spain. So this guy landed here in Philippines and called it Las Islas Filipinas. Hari 3623 in Dubai Filipino song. Oh, so you love Filipino song? Okay, I will try to sing a Filipino song. Pansin mo bang pagbabago? Tila hindi nananabik sa yakap mo't halik. Kailangan bang mahir na pagsita? Nais ko malaman mong di ko sinasadya. Dahil di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pakawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay dapat ka nang iwan. Di na hahayaan pa masaktan. Di na sasayangin ang oras at panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa piling ng iba. I feel shy. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Bulong ng isip, huwag ka pakawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay dapat kang iwan. So, you have a wonderful voice and your hands are moving my because I'm shy. I am shy. Char. Sanja, we're too good. Really? I can't help but to smile because you said, I don't know, but I feel like like what I said, my voice is irritating because I keep on talking and talking and they don't like my talking. Super heart. Thank you. Why embarrassed, my love? Because I love Yemen. I'm shy. You can be a great singer. Really? Hi, cutie. Nofi 2020. Thank you. How are you? Mr. Sunogu Jar 720. Thank you for asking me. I am fine. Thank you. How about you? And it's already 1:24. Oh my god. I was supposed to end my live stream at 1 o'clock. It just happened. I am late and I'm sorry because I said I will go live 11 p.m. but I go live at 12 in the morning because I did a record of my new video. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Okay, Mr. Kausar 143, good night. Have a sweet dreams and a beautiful nightmare. Dream of me. For you to have a good sleep. Dream of me. Charing. I'm just kidding. Ewa chaya. Okay. Why embarrassed, my love? Well done performance. Good job, Kitty Pop. God bless you. Welcome to my live stream, Mr. Vicas2212. Every day I love you now. Every day, Mr. Vicas2212 is having his live stream, and like what I said, every day also, Mr. Vicas2212 is the brain. He is the brain of the group because he is smart. So if you have a problem, talk to him. And please follow also the leader or the brain of the group, Mr. Vicas2212. And I'm Poison. I just want you to know that Poison is the darling of the group. Char, not darling, but I am the Hokage. Hokage. Kami. Kawaii. So, thank you, Mr. Vicas2212 for dropping by in my lecture. And I am sorry, bye. No, it's okay, Mr. Kausar. If you are already sleepy, no problem. And I'm thankful that you joined me right now in my live spirit. Really, your voice good. Mr. Muhammad Irfan 1080. Thank you for appreciating my voice. Maybe because of the background. That's why I have a good voice. You're bad. See, someone said I'm bad. Engine physiotherapist Le. All the best. Good night, Mr. Kausar 140. I can't help but to my beloved, I have not seen this with your beauty, nor with anyone in your beauty. You are the pro. Come to Turkey. If I'll go to Turkey, there's COVID. COVID is here. I can go to Turkey. And my beloved, okay, I will read this one. My beloved, yes, beloved boys, I have not seen this with your beauty, nor with anyone in your beauty. You are the pro. What's this pro? Pro magnetic kitchen. Thanks for appraising me, even I'm a very small guy. Huh? How come Mr. Vikas is a small guy when he is tall? Mr. Vikas, the leader or the brain of the group, is as tall as a Burj Khalifa. He is 6 feet tall anyway. And I am small, so it means I am the small girl. My height is 5 feet only. So if you guys hope you don't mind, share some height. Come on, share some height to Poison, because Poison is a small girl. If you have watched her video, she really is a small, very small. What happened? I miss you so much. Bye bye. No need to miss me po. It's okay. Like what I said, I'll go live every day. But I just wanna tell you guys, my load will expire tomorrow, so it means I will not go live for 3 days, because that will be the time that I'm going to give myself a rest from phones. Because if you haven't noticed, I keep doing this. My eyes is hurting already, and I don't have eye protector for the for this too much radiation from the phone. But I'm trying. No, this is not joke. Voice is okay. Shukran. If if I'm going to read like these comments, I really don't want to sing a song. Keep on singing. Okay, user 2220668 welcome to my live stream. It's Mahal Kita sa Puso. Ang title ng kanta, wala sa puso ay tiyan mo ng ganyan. Ikaw lang ang hanap. I'm going to sleep, I like you. You're just going to sleep and you're going to say I like you. Okay, going to sleep guys. Good night. Good morning. Have a sweet dreams. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Okay, that's what my big brother always told me. Good night, Don't let the bed bugs bite. Okay, Vadette, what your eyes dim? Yeah, because of too much radiation, and I want as much as I want to have an eye protector, but I am shy to tell them because they will say you keep on having to go like Vadette, what's your eyes dim? Yeah, I love Yemen. Why are you crying? What's wrong? For your eyes, you use glasses, any kind of. Really? So you want me to? Oh, Mr. Yemen, why are you crying po? What did I do? What did I do to make you love me? What can I say to make you mine? So it's already 1:29 in the morning, and Poison needs to sleep, because tomorrow is another day. Continue please, my love. What do you mean? So give me a song. Who wants to sing me a song? You can request. Baby, I'm amazed by you. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It's just getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Everything that you do, Adonis, I'm in love with you. D.J.O. Hi, hello, kabayan. How are you? So you guys, like what I said, it's already 1:30 in the morning, and it's already, I need to go to sleep already. Is that okay with you guys? Sleep on time and well. Yes, I will go to sleep already. And wish me luck. Char, wish me luck. Kiss. Because Poison needs a kiss. I need somebody who will love me at my worst. Maybe I do have a topic, guys, about my country. Just so happened I've got lots of messages to read. So kaliwali, maybe next day, the next day. It depends upon my mood, because sometimes I said I will not buy load for my phone because I want to rest my eyes, and then it just so happened I feel like I want to talk to my antidotes, and I want to go live and talk to them because my antidotes makes me happy, so I will buy load. So it means I need to refrain myself from buying load so my eyes can rest. But it depends. because it seems like I'm an addict already. I cry over your cheeks, neck, chest, legs, and your arms. Over, I now came to work and join your life. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. You know what? Attendance check. It's always Mr. Muhammad who's there for me. Cause I will be there for you. Somewhere in the night, I'll be there for all times. That's the song for Mr. Muhammad. So, Muhammad Irfan, I will be there for you. Somewhere in the night, I'll be there for all times. I will shine light on you. Mr. Kausar, you said you're going to sleep. What happened? And me also keep on saying I'll go to sleep, but I'm still here. So what happened, guys? We will not sleep or what? So I will end my live stream already, and I'm thankful that you are watching with me. Even though I didn't save my topic, and I lost my mind over this Kuzi Pratik. Kuzi Pratik. Kuzi Pratik is otherwise when I work in day shift I will sleep 10. Oh, okay. So you have your night shift. Is it a night shift or morning shift? Love you, Mr. I love Yemen. I love Yemen. So guys, it's for my reading, Mr. XCX. I missed your poem. Anyway, guys, I just want to say goodbye. Thank you, and see you tomorrow again. Bunny Boy, Mr. XCX, you're the best. Mr. Muhammad Irfan, I'll be there for you, even somewhere in the night. And since Mr. XCX is here, you're amazing, Poison. Saradona. Every intellectual will fall for you. Really po? Are you sure, Mr. XCX? So the song for Mr. XCX 23 is he is more on the river last night. So yesterday his poem is about water stream, whatever stream it is. So the song will be, your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. 'Cause your love is like a river that flows through to my veins. I feel the warmth, I feel the chill inside. So Mr. XCX, that song is dedicated for you. And Mr. Muhammad Irfan, the song dedicated for you is I'll be here for you. Because you're always here present anyway. Saradona. So for Bunny Boy, baila baila. That's for you, Bunny Boy, and I hope you like the video that I made for you. So like what I've said, guys, please comment on one of my videos and I will try to flex your comment, just like what I did to Bunny Boy. I told him, go Bunny Boy, comment something on my videos and I will dedicate something for you if you have a comment there, as long as the comment is a good comment. Don't comment bad things, because I will dedicate something. So here I go again. I keep on saying goodbye. I love you all. Bye bye everyone. Wait lang. Okay. What's his name? Mr. M. Shakil A. Thank you for watching me right now, Mr. Shakil. I will say, Mr. User Canadier, thank you for watching me also. I will too much respect you and how much you don't know. Thank you for the so much respect, guys. And I didn't expect it. Didn't expect that you will love Poison, even though you didn't meet her. But yet you are here all, guys, to watch me and show your respect to me. Anand 00707, you're late because I'm going to say goodbye already, Anand. And I dedicate something for Anand also. So goodbye, God bless, I love you all, and thank you. Shukran. You are sweet person. Thank you. Dipunkar 050, goodbye, I love you all. See you whenever I see you, because I don't know if I'm going to buy a lot or what. So bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching me.